All right, guys, welcome back to another video, a case review for the OnePlus 7 Pro. I've already put up a video. Here's another one. I've got more to go. So this is just a little generic case right here you can find online, easily for a couple of bucks. You got to keep cases like this around for those times that, you know, you're at the gym or anything, just where you know you probably will scratch the phone up. Put a case like this on it, and this is also can be used for a very sleek, if you just want a solid black case. Now this is, think of, what's the company? Not Rinky. Yeah, Rinky case. I think Rinky is the one that makes that black case. I forgot which one it is, but you know what I'm talking about. That's how this one feels. You know what I'm saying? So you got your cutout for the camera up there. Nice and round too for the camera to go through. I'll open the camera too, so you'll see it. And then the microphone up top, you got your volume rocker. All ports and everything are going to be lined up there. This one covers the SIM tray. On this side, you got your switch right there and the power button. So let's pop it open here or put it on. You can see the camera on this is not deeply recessed like this case. If you've seen that review, this is a rugged style case. And this is kind of a slim, you know, a slim case that's, you know, not going to be too bulky, but it still could be protection. You've got very faint lip protection all around. And I still have the screen protector from OnePlus on here. I don't plan on taking it off, but this is how it's going to be. So real brief and to the point, man. There's not much. Look online. I think this costs like $5 online or something like that. It's got a texture on the back that feels really good, that gives grip. And then also on this side right here, it has grip. So that's cool, man. I'm feeling that, man. I'm feeling it. To get to this right here, it's nice and easy. Let's open the camera up. Let's see here. I just want to show you. You can see it pops straight through. You can see with no problem. It's a lot of room in there. So when I close it, you can see. I'm gonna hit it up again. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. So the camera is nice and good. It's no issues with it. Solid little case for a few dollars, man. These are all like this. There's like a bunch of the same case with different names. You know how it goes. But check online. This is just a little generic case you can find on eBay and Amazon. I don't even know where this one came from, to be honest. I've had these so long, man. You know, I've had them so long. They were sitting long before the OnePlus. Anyway, I had to show you the case. So do some research. Type in cheap case for OnePlus 7 Pro or on eBay or Amazon. You will find it. It's your man Jay. I'm out.